Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I want to show you how to assemble a felt orchid, which is super easy. What I have here is the pre-cut out petals and pieces, which I have. These templates are available in my resource library if you're interested in making them with this particular design. So I pre-cut them. I cut them on my cutting machine, Cricut cutting machine, but this one's super easy, so you can probably just do this by hand. Okay, so first we're just gonna pinch the petals a little bit to add a little curvature. And the way we do that is, I find the easiest way. You can also use fabric glue, but the hot glue gun is a little bit faster, and when it's warm enough. Hot glue gun is a little bit faster, and so you don't have to sit around and wait. So we just want to pinch and hold and give it a moment to dry. And do the same with the other side. A little bit goes a long way, so don't use too much, or you might burn your finger. Okay. So we're just going to do the same here. Apply a little bit, hold that in place. And then layer that centerpiece on.